Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok storage. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok storage, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will find uninstall and you can install again your app to fix that problem on your application of TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.